This is how every Android user takes photo of their kid's homework or any document. Open the camera. Now take the photo of your homework or a document. Open the photo. Now click on Edit, Beautify, then crop it. Adjust the corners. Apply and save. And this is the result. Now see how I do it in MI phone. Open the camera, take the photo from any angle. Open the photo, click on the three dots on the right. Click on Adjust, and yes, it is going to do it automatically. Now click on Enhance, and it will remove all the errors which you do not want to show to your teachers or to your boss. And this is the final result. You can see the difference. We can see the page folding lines are there, but in the final result, there is nothing. So if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. We'll meet you in the next one.